In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from your Shopify store if you've been using a password to protect your online store while you get things set up, and you're now ready to launch your store to the public. This is the perfect guide for you. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end, your store will be accessible to everyone, free from that password barrier. First things first, let's head over to Shopify. You'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is the central hub where you'll manage your store, handle orders, and tweak settings. If you haven't logged in for a while or are new to this, simply go to the Shopify website and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard with a sidebar full of options. Now, on the sidebar of your dashboard, look for the Online Store option. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Preferences. This section contains all sorts of settings related to your online store, including the password protection we're about to disable. Once you've clicked into Preferences, it's time to scroll down and look for the section labeled Password Protection. This section is crucial because it's where you've previously set up the password to restrict access to the public while you were working behind the scenes. You'll see a checkbox labeled Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. Right now, this checkbox is selected, indicating that your store is password protected. To open your store to the public, simply deselect this checkbox. This action will remove the password requirement for your store visitors. It's a quick adjustment, but it's key to making your store accessible to everyone. After you've deselected the checkbox, there's one final step that's very important: clicking the Save button. This is typically located at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on how your settings are laid out. Clicking Save ensures that your changes are applied. If you forget this step, the adjustments won't take effect, and your store will still be behind that password wall. And there you have it. You've just removed the password from your Shopify store. It's now open to your customers without any barriers. Enjoy seeing your hard work go live and start engaging with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. See you in the next video.